What's the meaning of airedale? Airedale. 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 Airedale.
Airedale is a term that typically refers to the Airedale Terrier, a breed of dog originally bred in England for hunting small game. The name Airedale comes from the Aire Valley in Yorkshire, where these dogs were first developed. Airedale Terriers are known for their loyalty and intelligence, as well as their high energy levels and love of outdoor activities. They are often used as police or military dogs due to their courage and trainability. Overall, the term Airedale is closely associated with this particular breed of terrier and the characteristics that make it unique.